This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make canvas using chalk. We'll explore a unique method to create a versatile art surface right at home. This process allows you to craft a matte, absorbent ground perfect for many artistic mediums like pastels or acrylics. You can also customize the texture and consistency to perfectly suit your creative vision, offering a cost-effective and satisfying alternative to store-bought options for your artwork. To begin, gather your essential materials for this creative project. You'll need about 750 grams of powdered chalk, like calcium carbonate or gypsum, which is the key ingredient for our unique canvas. Also, prepare 250 grams of water, 125 grams of white glue, and 120 milliliters of white acrylic paint. Don't forget a container for mixing and a sturdy stirring stick to ensure a smooth blend. Now, let's mix your chalk gesso to achieve the perfect consistency. First, combine the 250 grams of water and 125 grams of glue in your container, stirring until completely smooth. Next, slowly add the 750 grams of powdered chalk, mixing continuously to avoid any lumps. Finally, introduce the 120 milliliters of white acrylic paint, stirring well until the texture is consistent and ready for application. With your chalk gesso prepared, it's time for the final step, application. Brush thin, even coats onto your desired surface, whether it's wood, paper, or a traditional canvas. It's crucial to let each layer dry fully before applying the next, typically for several hours to ensure proper adhesion. Once completely cured, your unique homemade chalk canvas is ready for your artistic expressions, providing a beautiful, matte finish for your creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.